the sound from the headset vibrates into the microphone.
Okay,
like
guys, I'm gonna
just
play
like-
marbles now. Oh wait, hang on. Let me watch this Belle Delphine video. Actually, guys, I'm gonna go. I need to go pee now, guys. Okay, I'll be back in 20 minutes.
Candy, did you see the new LOL trailer for the
Relaunch
animation?
X100.
Fuck! No, fuck! I just love Belle Delphine. Out of everything I love in my life, it's Belle Delphine.
Delphine.
Wait,
I love that.
Wait, Candy, I need to ask, why do you love Belle Delphine so much?
She's so pretty. She's just so pretty. Fuck. She's just so goddamn pretty.
But who asked?
I did, my bad. Sorry, guys.
It's a meme,
You know what?
man.
You know what?
Man, it's a meme.
That one's on me. I'm gonna do this.
Kitty.
What?
Guys, Sume.
Yeah.
You can bring Jupi in mod chat. if you
Mashallah,
want.
thank you for gifting us up to Bong Clown. Thank you.
Who did I gift a sub to?
Bongo Clown.
Bongo Clown.
A random one.
Boombooklat. Shall we pull in a Boombooklat bot as well?
That's
Well,
good.
my-
That's a good one.
My previous gifted sub was to a pineapple pizza, which was awful.
Oh.
I love pineapple pizza.
Candy,
follow-up
go get a
question,
confession. You need one right now.
Can we just ban
What,
Sweden?
what if you would be in Las Vegas and Belle Delphine 2? Which one
Pineapple
would
on pizza.
Why did I think of Sleeper when I heard that? Can we
That
just
is the
ban Sweden?
third biggest haram in the world.
Candy, don't you have to go to the bathroom?
Fuck, I have hiccups. But yes.
It
yes.
happens.
Don't you need to clean again?
Yes, cleaning up. Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
The hiccups are stalling.
Fuck, I need to go to sleep.
Yeah. No, don't go yet.
I ain't got nothing to do, man.
I have,
I am
unfortunately.
very busy.
Wait, I still have.
Ooh, a hype train.
Very
How did that trigger now? What the fuck? Okay, everyone. Any primers in chat? Any oil prints in chat? Any gifters in the chat?
Gift incoming.
Or any person who just want to support Candleland?
Any Tesla
Now's your time.
shareholders?
Any Tesla
gang
salary.
members?
Okay, you have that. You do that. You do that.
Let me get it. Any opens, copy paste.
That's the
Wait,
that's the most amount of free advertisement I will do. Okay.
It's
There
working.
it goes.
Oh, Blue, you are easy.
Why did it say I just subscribed when I gifted a sub?
Hey, Blue, didn't you subscribe? like
I'm
last month?
gonna fix it. I'm
Did
gonna
you
fix
upgrade?
it. I
Holy shit.
I promise I'll fix it.
X100.
Just go, Candy.
We got this. It's fine.
Yeah, Candy, just go and take a pee, take whatever you want.
Is she going to the bathroom?
With gang members.
Any gang members?
Discord
gang members.
subscribers.
Excuse me.
Any ministry members?
Any
Any
shark,
Any royal family members.
any Shark Tank
Says
investors.
Any human.
Any hedge
Oil
fund
prints.
investors?
Oil prints right here.
By the way,
Well,
if you guys have any ideas to add to the thing, let me know and I'll put it into the.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
shit!
Holy shit. Why?
Joopy.
You gotta say
Jupi.
something, Jupi. You didn't say nothing.
Oil!
Real oil prints right there.
Oil.
Princess
The
connection.
actual oil
Actual
print
oiler.
is in mod chat.
Holy shit.
Oilers.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ, man.
Somebody give that guy a cookie. He deserves it.
The guy is next to you, man.
16 subs from 1400.
Yo, dude, chat, we are literally only 16.
We need some serious gifters in here.
Listen, dude. Chat, I'm telling you, listen, we need some
Yeah,
oil.
listen, dude.
This
Listen.
is shit.
Squad 6685 cheered. X300.
I'm Middle Eastern, so that makes me automatically an oil
Rich
print.
guy.
But
Oh.
the problem is I'm also a student, so that makes me automatically poor, even though I'm rich as
Oh.
fuck.
So you're like average.
Yeah,
Unfortunate.
I'm sorry.
Oh, rich boy.
I need to drop out. If I drop out, I'll be rich as fuck. I can get a yacht.
Wow.
All right. Hey. Candy's not here. What shall we do? I mean, chat
Quite
and
harder.
us.
Ban Hillary. Ban Hillary, for God's sake.
Remove Puck.
Promote Hillary. You can do that.
The oil,
rice.
the oil prince is in voice chat. The oil prince is in voice chat.
Ban Hillary.
Ask her
Promote
penises.
Someone said ban Hillary in the chat.
What a nice guy.
It's working.
Very
I'm
good,
actually
very
getting
good,
banned
Freddy.
tonight.
Very good.
Good
Oh
riddance.
god, it's
Another one.
fuck Hillary.
Guys, exactly what are you trying to do?
I'm getting banned.
Nothing.
So what are you doing?
I'm next.
Squad W6.
Wait a minute.
Guys is trying to do shady stuff.
Champ Valentine cheer.
Oh.
X500. Listen, chat, we are from X subs to Y subs, and once we get to Y subs, we will have to ban Hillary
Okay,
if
why
Puck
does
is not
that
removed.
sound so weird? You know, in
It's because she left her headphones like right
Yeah.
next to
Yeah,
my
we don't get the feed directed to the stream.
So it, yeah.
Just be quiet.
Hello? No. Åh nej. Hallå, ni hör ju mig ju! Cancel.
Ska hon börja prata snart eller vad fan är det frågan om?
Jag vet om det, vänta. Hur byter jag?
Candy, you have a level 5 train.
Oh man, she doesn't.
Hej.
Hello.
Hej, vem är du?
Oh my god.
Oh my days, no way you're lying.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Vad fan hände? Amazing. You look extravagant right now. Alltså...
There we go. Kenny, why the fuck do you run away?
I just because. Just because.
Because?
Pause, champ.
Because?
Hold it.
Because.
You mean because usually leads to another part of a sentence?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Wait.
Yeah, that's true. That's pretty true. Yeah, that's true.
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 Yeah, that's true.
Candy
Yeah, true.
Very true. Yeah, true.
That's a truing.
How's it going? My man.
Going good.
Man.
Which one?
Everybody, I love all of my mens.
You love all of amens?
Yeah.
you.
What is all of amens?
Everybody who ever had a pregnancy scare. I love you.
What?
Pregnancy scare. Pregnancy scare. Pregnancy scare.
Well,
Actually,
I've never
yes,
done it with
heads up.
anyone to get a pregnancy scare, but listen,
So waiting for those.
Torpa, I gotta ask you, how many svenska nubbar do you have left?
What? I have one here. Ronas.
I have
Ronas.
4.
You have 4 left. I have 3 left.
Fuck, which one have I missed?
I have Herrgårds Akvavit.
Yeah, I have that one.
Akvavit and Östgöta Sädes Brännvin.
Yeah, I have those, and I have a biscuit.
They are the only ones I have left, and I'm gonna do all 3 of them right now.
Yeah, I have those, and I have. Oh my god, this will be hard.
Torpa, listen, you gotta man up, man.
Yeah, I need to man up.
Candy,
He passed out earlier. Leave him alone.
you need to.
No, but Candy has like 8 left or something.
She has 4. She has 6 left.
Now we're
No, she has
listening.
like
Nope. Now we're listening to the honey. We're listening to honey. Wait, fuck.
To the what?
Honey.
Yep, we're listening.
Honey is nice.
Honey.
Wait, what?
We are listening to them.
What?
God damn it!
That's
I
right.
can't find Candy on the right side of the Discord. Damn it! I don't wanna use the Discord
She'll have to
name.
go online on Discord.
What happened?
Nah, fam. Mods are gay. I'll show him who's gay.
Wait.
That's
I actually showing you who's gay. That's so.
Okay.
Listen.
False champ.
He still step spams. You can whatever.
Can I ban him?
More like timing now.
Mods, can I ban him for spamming?
I mean, he stopped.
Seriously, but
You're literally spamming yourself saying, "Mods, can I spam him for spamming?"
My silence is
Hey,
telling you that you should take the decision by yourself.
Wait, someone said fuck mods. Do I ban that fucker?
Yeah, you do.
Alright, he's banned.
Wow. that's
No, you don't
quick.
ban him. You time him out for like 24 hours.
Fuck that.
Yeah. Time out.
Is this one of these?
Ready, guys? Okay, someone else said mods are gay. Oh, wait, everyone said. Oh my god.
That's
Don't
kind of
ban.
your fault, actually.
How do they know?
Mods are wanks.
What are they doing?
It's not that hard. Just time out.
fuck
Okay.
mods.
Hold on.
How
Don't
do they
time out
know
people outside. Trust
if
in you
we're
guys.
gay?
What?
I don't swing
really
the
wanna-
other. I don't
you
swing the
wanna
other
go
way,
to-
but I'm straight, but I'm not
Still
scaring.
No,
waiting.
there's nothing wrong with calling a moderator a gay, but if you, it's all about how you do it. It's phrasing. Okay.
Okay, let me say this then. I am not gay. I am straight. I am sexually attracted to women, but I'm not scared. I'm not scared being next to
Yeah.
gay guys.
But it's not how you interpret what the person is striking me. It's how the person is typing it in general. That's
Well,
that
I saw
matters.
it as an insult, so
Honestly, let me tell you one thing. Oh my fucking god, who made these fucking rules up? I'm gonna fucking kill them.
It's probably you.
No, I didn't
probably
make
you.
those rules. I did not make those rules. I'm so angry. Who made those rules?
Can we please have a discussion here? What rules to
what
start with?
rules?
What rules are we
Boys,
talking
it
about?
doesn't matter. Fuck the rules. Fuck it all, right? Fuck it.
Do you mean the
Yeah,
general
yeah,
rules?
What she said.
No,
I think the DMCA rules.
No, not those rules.
Or do you mean the pregnancy rules or the marriage?
Wait.
rules?
There are pregnancy rules.
The gender rules? What do you mean?
all of
You
the
mean-
all of the rules. All of the
Who made
rules.
the rules?
rules.
Who made
All
all
the
of the
rules in the
rules?
world.
Can that Slim Shady please stand up?
I can't stand up, man. I cannot stand up right now because I'm about to pour this last shot I have.
I'm gonna make my own country.
Torpa
Oh,
and Candy, I don't know if you're gonna drink, but I still have Östgöta Sädes Brännvin, Herrgårds Akvavit och Läcka.
Which one? Östergötas?
Oh my god.
Östergöta, not Östergöta.
Toronto's
And
finest
she
cheer.
said she's going to do only party
X100.
shots.
Please marry me. Please
Oh my
marry
god,
me.
there's
Please marry
actually
me.
one more.
Please
Oh
marry
fuck.
me.
Wait, what the
A
fuck?
few more bottles, you mean?
Östergötas,
Yeah, I see it.
Sörens
I have
brännvin.
heard it.
Okej, alla, om jag skulle, vänta. Om det skulle hända att jag blev...
Okej. Hör ni ljudet?
Jo, vänta, vem är Torpa, alla andra. Om det skulle hända att jag blev bannad idag för resten av mitt liv, kan det inte komma till min Discord då? Så kan vi bara hänga. Alltså, jag lovar jag hade klarat mig.
Gäller det bara Torpa eller resten av oss också, eller?
Nej, allihopa.
Eller resten av er.
Resten så...
Ja.
Och jag, Emma, jag hade ryckt upp.
Jag hade ryckt upp också.
Ja, bra.
För att vara helt ärlig, jag har inte så mycket av ett liv. Just nu för att...
Jag har ett liv, men jag vill fortfarande dyka upp.
Jag har ett liv också, men mitt jobb, så alla är på semester så man kan inte göra så mycket just nu. Så
Ja. Fuck. Jag vet inte om jag borde dricka något mer, vänta.
Emma, det är bara att dricka. Om vad som än händer. Om du vill ju offra allting för det du tror på.
Jag är inte säker jag vill dryga upp den här jäveln, men vi har ett försök på det.
Torpa, kom igen.
Jag tar till gummi.
Jag hade tuggummi.
Det kommer inte smaka bättre efter tuggummit, kan jag i alla fall lova dig.
Lyssna, jag ska hälla upp...
Alkohol reagerar jävligt illa med tuggummina. Det smakar jävel. Ja, det bränner i käften på dig.
Det blir bara värre.
Det kan vara eukalyptusen i och för sig om det är typ sånt i, men det brukar inte vara gott i alla fall.
Det beror på vad vilken tuggummi du äter för.
Så fort jag är färdig här i alla fall så kommer jag fan att borsta tänderna i alla fall, kan jag säga, men nej. Inte just i nu.
Extra. Jag har inte extra, men jag har i alla fall tuggummi.
Nej, jag har flux.
Jag har inte flux.
Flux-tuggummin är fan
har
svinnice. Flux-tuggummin är fan skitnice.
Jag fick det gratis från mitt apotek. Jag bara wow, tack så mycket.
De är skitbra, på riktigt.
De är det, men jag fick dem helt gratis från mitt apotek. De ville att jag skulle testa det och undra vad jag tyckte om det. Så jag bara, yay!
Okej, men det är ändå vi tre här som håller status här. Vad är det vi har kvar? Det är Östergöta Sällsbrännvin vi ska dricka nu.
Jag har öppnat den nu.
Ja, jag också.
Jag har kvar... Men jag har kvar flera. Jag har kvar alla de här tre. Jag har Läckerö, Bäst...
3, alltså jävla massa kapsyler är du.
Det här är de jag har kvar.
Candy, jag har fortfarande Läcka och Herrgårds akvavit.
Jag har kvar... jag öppnade just Östergöta. Men hallå Marshala, kan vi snälla hänga? När du är i Göteborg, kan vi snälla hänga?
När då?
Om en vecka. Nästa vecka. Alltså jag drar snart.
Ja, jag vet inte om det är möjligt om jag ska vara helt ärlig på grund av mitt jobb. Så vore det jättehärligt om jag skulle vara helt ärlig. Det vore jättehärligt om jag kunde träffa dig och vi kunde hänga tillsammans och ha jättekul, men okej, kan jag Examinator, han går på mina nerver nu.
Ta den jäveln.
Och jag kan det, jag vet inte.
Candeland, lyssna. När jag får mitt eget ställe, och det kommer att hända ganska nyligen. Jag vet inte om det händer i år, men definitivt nästa år så kommer det hända. Du är alltid välkommen. Min dörr kommer alltid vara öppen för dig oavsett. Jag säger bara det rakt ut.
Men om jag typ får på ett hotell i Göteborg, kommer ni kunna komma då?
Nästa vecka?
Ja.
Jag kan seriöst inte svara på den frågan, men jag vill svara ja.
Jag vill också svara ja, men jag vet inte om jag kan göra det.
Jag kan seriöst inte svara ja på den, men jag vill svara ja.
Vänta Torpa, du bor ju i Göteborg för guds skull.
Ja, fast jag jobbar inte i Göteborg just nu.
Inte om
Nej, vänta. Jag åker på...
Nej, du behöver inte säga det här.
Nej, men jag åker ju snart.
Om du inte vill.
Jo men, vänta. Jag åker
Jag tror det är en
snart.
sak.
Ja, 3 till 6. Då. Då.
Det är det sjätte.
Nästa månad.
Om allt blir som jag vill, då är jag i Göteborg då.
Om allt är som jag vill också, då kommer jag också vara i Göteborg. Men jag tvivlar inte på att det kommer hända så himla enkelt. En sak till, Candyland. En person i din chatt bad mig om att jag skulle banna honom. Ska jag verkligen göra det?
Vem är det? Vem?
Examinator.
Nej! Jag älskar han! Jag älskar han! Edvin. Shut the fuck up. Jag älskar han.
Vadå? Är inte han som samlar på bands?
Jag pratade med han, alltså han, för typ 3 år sedan så pratade jag med han bara i mitt hem och fuck,
Okej, men-
banna inte honom, nej.
Okej, men han bad mig göra det, så därför jag kollar med dig. Jag
Ja!
bannar inte någon utan någon dum anledning.
Marshalla, Centimeter skriver mycket kul. Ta åt dig.
Vänta, en gång till.
Centimeter skriver mycket kul. Ta åt dig bara. Det är bara kul.
Alltså, Emma sa att hon skulle banna mig om jag bara bannade någon utan så här, bara rakt av. Men sen sa hon att hon lovade att hon inte skulle banna mig också.
Jag tror inte att Emma har sagt det där.
Jo, hon sa det,
Nej,
men det inte bara här.
Sanimator, jag älskar Sanimator, jag älskar också Mashallah, så att oavsett vad ni gör så kommer båda ni två vara mina vänner efteråt.
Ja, jag hörde som... så fint.
Vänta.
Peter
vad är det?
Glish eller Peter Mål där.
Holy shit. Det är söndag idag. Jag
de
kommer
påstår
träffa mina
det.
gamla tjejkompisar senare.
Nämen.
Jag vet inte vad som kommer hända. Vi kommer bara ha bowling och ha kul, men om
Vem är det som
någonting
sitter och rowar här i bakgrunden hela tiden?
Det är
Är
jag.
det Hillary?
Jajamän.
Ja, det är fint. Jag gillar lite såhär supportive wow
Ja, men
hela tiden.
jag är här i bakgrunden och bara är liksom.
Ja, det är fint.
Vi borde nog köra den här Östgöta sädesbrännvin.
Tycker det, va?
Alltså, mina shots har kommit upp i
alltså,
rumstemperatur, så de är helt värdelösa vid den här punkten.
Har inte Candy knäckt den också? Så är vi inte där, eller?
I told you. No, fuck.
You told us what?
Yeah.
Yes.
We are waiting.
I told you
Clap.
that 5OD is a wine fucking bottle. I told you that.
Yeah, she has it. Okay, it's time for the
Alright, Candy.
Östgöta sädesbrännvin.
I can't believe I have to do this, but I'm gonna send you a picture on mod chat. I'm gonna show you what I had a few Christmases ago.
What? You only had this a few Christmases ago?
No, I'm gonna show you what I had a few Christmases ago.
Well, we're waiting.
Just give me a second. I need to find it.
He needs a second to get there.
Watch out!
Darling.
Jacob G
Watch
just
out.
subscribed for
Shut
24
up. Don't
months.
tell me I'm
Listen.
starving. I'm not starving for shit. I'm tipsy.
Jacob DM, you're a fucking cutie. Thank you so much for subbing to me.
How
For,
old are you, by the way? Examine it. I am 24 years old.
Sanimator, do you wanna be on the Discord? Sanimator, för alla, vänta. Alla som inte
Det
vet.
är fan vitt.
Can someone hear the background noise of my PC?
Yes.
Slightly.
Yes.
There.
Your microphone is
Hallå,
on.
Okej, don't kill
Sanimator måste vara med i våran Discord.
Ja, Centimeter är fan VIP.
Han är fucking VIP, är han det eller vad är han?
Man är så här sneaky också, hålla sig undan. Det är väl gäller.
Thank you so much for subbing to me. Thank you. Vars är fucking Sanimator?
Centimeter har ju fan egna commands på sig. Va?
Men han kanske redan är
Eller
i...
hade.
Jag tror han är i mods redan.
Nej, han är inte mod.
Jag har aldrig
I
tagit
just
bort det i alla fall.
uploaded. Candyland, I just uploaded it to mod chat, so you may take a look for yourself.
Vänta, det här...
Är det OBS?
Det här...
Ja, det där är.
Okay, hold on. You see the blue and red bottle in the middle?
Yeah.
That is 80% absinthe each.
I know absinthe. I've done absinthe too.
80% absent. 80% frånvaro.
Ja.
I had one shot of that with my friends, and it felt like a fireball in your throat for like half an hour.
I know, I did it too. I done that too.
It was awful.
Oh, this shit sucks so hard, but it's still funny.
You know what? I'm not gonna shit him. I'm gonna do the damn drink. Candy, are you in or not?
Wow.
I'm in, but yeah, absinthe is fine.
Well, I still have my 70% haram. You can still have it if you want to.
You have 70% haram?
Yeah, that's the absinthe. I say it's haram because it has a picture of a devil on it.
I love that.
Wait, what? How does it make it haram?
It has a picture of the devil on it.
So
The
then,
devil is
so a
haram.
picture of a devil makes it haram.
X100.
Sort of, yes.
Okay,
Thank you,
for me,
Bert.
when I say it said haram, it means it's okay. But I might have it wrong then.
No, haram means not allowed.
Yeah, but when you say, okay, I might have got it wrong then.
So in a way,
But now-
I am
now I
not
know what you
haram
mean.
if I start drinking.
Yeah,
But the thing
okay,
is-
yeah, I'm fine.
So the thing is, I went to church quite recently, and I had a confession, so I am halal.
Just
Yeah.
because you banned Hillary.
No, that happened way ago.
You mean halal Hillary?
No, Hillary is fine. He is fine. We're just giggling when it comes to the ban. I would never ban him again, unless he really, really, really fucked up, which is possible, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
Anyone who deserves a ban
Wait,
gets a ban.
I never been to church in like half a year or 2 years.
Take me to church.
Me neither. I haven't been to church since last year, and that was because of the pandemic. But recently, a person I know who works in the church, he contacted me and my mom, and he said, "You can come to the church and get a confession if you want to, and all that." Because when we got to it, they were holding a funeral during the service as well, while we were in the church.
Yeah.
So those people who were part of the funeral, they were in the church itself, but the rest of us, we stayed outside due to we didn't want it to be close to each other. So that was that. We got our confession and then we left. And examiner, no, I do not believe in jinns. I do believe in genies in a bottle.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So wait.
What have you done?
So
What did you do, Bert? What are you doing?
I'm sorry. No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
anyway,
Mashallah, whatever you believe in, I believe in that too. Whatever is not fucking ISIS, ISIS.
Okay, can you please restart and replace that?
Candy, I'm
do
gonna
the
say
shot.
Just do
Candy.
marbles. Just do marbles. Just do marbles.
Candy.
Just do marbles.
Candy, I'm gonna say this. ISIS is not a religion.
No,
It is
come on,
Careful,
don't.
Wait. I'm not
I'm
gonna say something. Hold on. It is not a religion. It is an ideology. Okay, it's that simple.
Mashallah,
Just leave it
my moderator, mashallah, what do you like them?
ISIS? Hell no.
What?
No.
Oh, good. Me neither. Oh my god.
I don't know. Listen,
Marbles
Just
time.
drop,
Listen,
just
yeah.
drop the
Listen to
subject.
me.
Don't. Please don't.
Listen, I'm gonna say this. My first friend ever in my life was a Muslim, and to this day we are still close friends with each other. I have been in friendship with this guy for over 20 years, and to this day we never really cared about what religion we belong to, just that we have fun and respect each other.
I believe you, and you know what? Whatever you believe in, chat, whatever you believe
Champ
in.
Valentine cheered. X100. Marbles time.
Okay.
Whatever you believe in, I love you. Okay, I promise. Whatever you believe in, I love you. Whatever it is, I love you. But before I play TFT, I'm gonna play marbles.
We made it.
Finally.
Grand Prix.
Yes, we made it.
Oh my
Was
God.
the Grand Prix of
9.5 hours.
That's the longest intro I've ever seen.
Okay, hold on. Someone said, Mr. Mashallah, don't stop stalling and drink. I agree. Let us drink. Cheers.
We are drinking.
Cheers! Ta den här också nu då. Den här fucking... Den här.
Ja, Emma. Jag tar det nu.
Jag med.
Det här kommer bli hemskt alltså.
Did you fall off the chair?
Okej, 3, 2, 1.